In this video, I am out in the field with a John Deere 9560 STS combine with a 6-row John Deere Model 693 corn head. I was actually running combine shelling corn in a field right beside here when this pulled in, so I thought I'd pop the drone up, get a few shots of this. In a little bit, you will see the S780 I was running in the background, tractor and grain cart and all that good stuff. But anyways, let's watch this machine in action. This is not going to be a real long video as I had things to do as well. The John Deere 9560 STS combine was manufactured from 2004 to 2007 from the information that I could find out. The John Deere 9560 STS combine is powered with a 6-cylinder Deere diesel engine, 8.1 liters in size, rated at approximately 265 horsepower. These machines also have a 220 bushel grain tank on them and can unload grain at 2.2 bushels per second. And of course, the J&M gravity wagons you see here in the video were built nearby in Fort Recovery, Ohio. And you can see the combine, tractor, grain cart, semi in the background. That is the field I was working. And that's going to do it for this short video. If you would go down there, hit that like button. Feel free to leave a comment. If you're new to my channel, I would appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button and check back often. I'm always filming, editing, uploading new content for my YouTube channel. You can also follow me along on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.